I need to renew my business. How much is the penalty if I missed to renew my business?
I'm not sure if it's a renewal of a BIR or a renewal of a business permit kasi dalawa yun eh. So, kung renewal ng BIR registration, 2024 onwards, zero na. Okay? You don't need to file the 0605 annual registration fee of the BIR. Okay? 2024 onward. Kung is it a city hall or a business permit renewal, I cannot say. Okay, I cannot say what's the amount because it will check your sales from the last year. It will check how many square meters of your location. Okay, so marami silang consideration. What's the industry? Okay, is it a service, a manufacturing, a merchandising? So I cannot see how much. You can estimate. So let's say your sales is last year. So let's say 1 million. You estimate 1.5% of your sales last year could be your business permit. That's an estimate. Malaki na yan. So kung 1 million, 1.5%, so that's around 15,000. Okay? So 1.5%, you can use it.